What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. If someone deleted a message before you could read it, there are ways to recover it. So let's get right to it. First, check your notifications in case the message was previewed before being deleted. If you had notifications enabled for WhatsApp, you might still see the message there, even though it was deleted from the chat. If it's no longer in your notifications, let's move on to another method. The next way to recover deleted messages is by using a WhatsApp backup. If a backup was made after the message was sent, but before it was deleted, you can restore WhatsApp to recover the deleted message. To do this, first uninstall WhatsApp by pressing and holding the app icon, and then selecting Delete App. Once uninstalled, reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. When you open WhatsApp after reinstalling, follow the setup process as usual. After verifying your phone number, WhatsApp will detect an available backup and prompt you to restore the chat history. Tap Restore, wait for the process to complete, and once done, open up your chats. If the message was included in a backup, you'll be able to see it, even though it was deleted later. And that's it, you've now recovered deleted messages on WhatsApp. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.